Hi, how you doing guys? Today is a great day to learn some new skills. So if you want to learn something today, pay a visit to my website. The website is now published, so you can pay a visit now. So it's been quite a while, and I've been doing a lot of things, trying to get things ready for the new world. Obviously, there's a lot of value here because I'm sharing it with you so you guys can win. You're going to be the master once you start learning these skills. Let's just start showing you some of the video clips, what I do here. So if you want to learn how to animate, draw, paint, this is what you'll be getting. And there's some other stuff as well that I want you to pay a visit to the Master Collection preview so you can see what you're going to get from that. So if you want to learn how to do hand drawing animation, learn how to draw, learn how to paint. Some of the clips that I'm going to show you are just basically brief, but if you want to see more, go to the website, look at the preview of the Master Collection so you can see what you're going to be getting in that section. In the Master Collection, I'm going to upload loads of videos. Before you pay anything, fill out the questionnaire first so I can figure out what kind of level you are. Then I can say, okay, this person's on this level. We can work. We're just going to take baby steps. But yeah, if you have no experience doing any of this, then that's okay. We're going to start from the beginning and then we're going to work your way up, because the time I teach you how to do this,
you're going to be like a superstar after this.
Because like I said, there's different options if you go to my private training page, but there's different sections that's for certain people. So if you go for the Master Collection first, learn the skills first.
So once you are confident that you know what you're doing with the skills that you have learned, then you're going to go to the artistic range courses to learn this stuff, pull it all together step by step.
Later on, there's going to be new people that I will reach out, and these guys are going to be the ones to help you as well. It's like watching me in the mirror, but it just got different versions of me. You got this version, you got this version, you got a few more versions. So yeah, you got all type of people helping you guys. So right now it's just me, but in time, maybe one of you guys are the ones who want to participate and help build this. It's been a long journey. If you've seen my other video, the first video that I've uploaded first, watch that. The time you watch that video, the website is up and running anyway, but also watch this video so you know what you're going to be getting. Yeah, this is a mini preview of the website, what you're going to be getting. Right now, people who want to learn how to animate and draw and paint, let me show you some video footage of that. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to animate, just the basic stuff, and then I'm going to show you how to do storyboards. I'm going to show you step by step how to create all of this, so you guys know how to make this stuff yourself, because like I said, we are here to support each other. Like I said, the future is in your hands. If I don't win, none of us win. So I like to win. Like I said, my main focus is getting you guys ready to learn this stuff so we can take over this. I'm going to teach you how to do hand drawing animation in animation paper, so that's the software that I'm using. And also I'm going to show you how to paint fill. I'm going to show you how to create character designs. I'm going to show you how to do storyboards, show you some tricks and some tips how to speed up your workflow, create your art posters, art designs. Yeah, just a lot of painting techniques that I'm going to show you in Photoshop that I use that's helpful, and I've been using it for a long time now, so I'm sharing it with you guys so that you guys can have this power, this love power. So most of the stuff that I'm going to show you will be in my Master Collection. So once you go to the website, you're going to see what comes with the Master Collection stuff. And once you learn how to do all this stuff, you can start doing the artistic range courses. So yes, the toys. Do you want to learn how to make art toys? Now, I'm going to show you everything that I know, and in the artistic range courses, the arts and crafts course. So if you have the equipment already and you got the resin casting kits, and yeah, if you got all the supplies ready for you to make these toys, then contact me and send me an email. But first, fill out the questionnaire first, then Once I'm happy with the results, then I will just get back to you and say, yeah, I can teach you this stuff. Once you go to the website, there's more information, but I'm going to keep it basic here. This is all for you guys, and I need you guys to put in the work, because this is all on you now. I already done the work. Now it's on you guys. Well, my job is to make sure that you guys do the work so we can get things going for the platform that I'm building right now. Yeah, you're going to be getting some giveaways. You got some ET heads. You got the Artistic Range Federation that I just made in ZBrush. I've done that like in a week. So yeah, I model quick. So I get things done because I'm not human. But that's why I say I'm a Klingon, not a human. Or I say a hybrid. Yeah, I'll do this. I'll do this quick because I've been doing this for a long time, guys. MIDI size version of the Star Range Enterprise that I just built in ZBrush. That took me a week. So I want to give something back to you guys to say thank you. Right now, I'm just going to start off with the PLA. But yeah, we're going to get these painted once we have a few members, and once things are going and the cash flow is good, we are going to move from PLA to SLA. Then I just buy like a resin casting kit, make a silicone mold, and then I can just basically make a lot of duplicates of this, so I don't have to keep going to the 3D print. But with the silicone mold, you can make a lot of duplicates with this model. So yeah, you're going to learn how to do this stuff. I'm going to show you everything that I know, so you guys can do it as well. Yeah, so if you want to learn how to make toys, learn the 3D skills first in the Master Collection. So watch the preview for that, and watch the preview for the Artistic Range courses, so you know what you're going to be getting. So that's for the toys. That's done. So we can move on to the next now. I've been talking quite a bit. Look at that cool ET head, and look at the Artistic Range Federation. Looks great. So yeah, for the people who want to learn how to make video games, now I'm working on the game development course. So right now I'm working on it and I'm getting that done. I'm making a lot of video footage for that, video clips that I'm doing, just showing you some of the basic stuff. I'm going to show you how to import the character models in the game engine. I'm going to be using Unity and maybe Unreal, because that was the two game engines that I was using. Yeah, there's a lot of things that I can share with you. I'm going to show you how to create textures, problem solving when it comes to technical stuff, some stuff that can be over your head when it comes to game development stuff. But yeah, there's going to be things that I will show you in 3D Max, because that's the software that I use to do my editing or fixing some errors with my model. Or most of the stuff that I'm going to be building, I'm going to build in 3D Max or Blender. I'm learning how to use Blender because just for backup, but I'm using Maya as well. Show you how to animate in Maya. I'm going to show you how to animate in 3D Max as well when it comes to games, but most of the stuff that I'm going to be showing you is going to be in Maya when it comes to 3D animation. And I'm going to show you how to create textures, create particle effects. I'm also learning how to code. So I'm just learning the basics, but once I know what I'm doing, then I can show you how to do it so you can put it together. But most of the stuff that I'm going to show you, if it's coding or anything else, most of the stuff will be free and some stuff won't be free. Yeah, I'm sharing all my skills that I know, and like I said, if anyone wants to learn how to do this, I'm happy that I have the skill to do this. It's up to you guys if you want to learn how to do this, and it's only for the chosen ones who are worthy to be in my presence that can learn this stuff. So if you are worthy and you think you have what it takes to be a Powerhouse unit member, then come to the creative studio, or go to the website first and fill out the questionnaire. Then from there I will figure out if you are the one. You will start as a star student, and if you are worthy to be in my presence, you might be able to be one of the guys or girls. You'll be one of the Artistic Federation members to join this Creative Bridge team. So yeah, you'll be one of the members to join if you are chosen. If you're part of my Powerhouse unit member, you're going to be in one of these phases. You could be on phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4. your picture of your IP will be displayed and your name will be on there, and you will have a number so people will know, okay, that's number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. So this is for the next generation. Now we are done with the learning new skills, we're going to move on to the next section. There's a lot of things to go through, and if you want to know more, go to the website. All the information will be there. Watch the videos. I will show you what videos you need to watch first. So for the community, go and watch people who want to volunteer. Obviously, if you are accepted, then this is for the star students who want to volunteer. You will get a volunteer application form to fill out, but we're looking for 3 people to see how you guys are, and once we are happy with your performance, then from there I can show my gratitude to you, and you will get some special gifts. Everyone will be getting these Artistic Federation badges, one of these badges that you see here. Your time is now. This is your industry. This is yours as well. Controlled by Artistic Range Studios, but we are working with the people who also have part in this as well. Yes, this is the new Hollywood. This is going to be the new name. By the people, for the people. That's the new Hollywood. Good things coming your way. If you are a chosen one, this is for you. All chosen ones around the world, share, like this video so that it can reach out to other people as well. It's your time to shine, and if you want to learn something new and you are ready to take the next step in your journey, then pay a visit to my website. So yes, Artistic Range Studios is now, we're ready to go. So yeah, so the website is now published, and you can pay a visit to the website. I saw my lucky numbers, 369 every time I see the place where I belong. 69, bro. I see 369 every time I see 369. So like I said, I'm good. So I'm just waiting for you guys to make a move. Creative templates for the star students and the creative bridges for the Artistic Federation members, or the team, the staff. Right now it's just me, but once I get the right people to help me put this together, it's going to be glorious. So go to the website, click on the first video that you see when you go on the website, and then just explore and look at the videos. Go to the community page, volunteering page for people who want to learn, but obviously you need to be a star student to volunteer. So if you want to volunteer and you want to get involved into one of these projects, we got video game projects and we have animation projects for our star students to practice their skills, get them ready for their stuff. So once they know how to do this, they're ready to get into their studio to learn how to do this, and I'll be there to guide them and show them what they need to know. Check out my captions logs where you can hear me discuss about certain things. There's a list of things that I'm going to be talking about. I'm going to upload my captions logs soon. So yeah, we are on cloud. So if you want to listen to some awesome music, we got a great variety of music. We got a lot of music that's going to heal your mind and body. So if you want to stay tuned when I do upload some music, just follow. Yeah, just press the follow button and you will know when I upload some stuff. So yeah, go to that link that you see there. So also we are on Twitch and we are on Twitter now. I like the logo X because it's like X-Men. Or X-Files or Extreme, and I can't wait to do these live DJ events that I'm going to be doing, playing some awesome music, making some new music, trying to experiment with this new music that I'm trying to create. And you got the ARU store that you can pay visit, but you need to get a access code to log in. So if you want to buy something from the store, if you're a star student and you want to buy something from the store to show some support, then go to, just let me know, send me an email and say, I want to search your store so I can buy some stuff. I will send you a access code to log in. And if there's anyone that wants to buy some stuff to show some support, then just basically send me a message. Just send me a message, email, say I want to buy a t-shirt. If that's okay, but like I said, you don't have to be a star student or part of my community, but if you want to buy something from me to show some support, that you see some value into this, then that will help as well. So yes, I will send you a access code. So if you see value in this and you want to learn some new skills, then go to the website. Thank you for listening, and yes, like, share, subscribe if you want to. Like I say, if you see value in this, then hi, how you doing? And if you don't, you must be blind. But have a good day anyway. But I'm gonna end it here, and yeah, have a good day, and I see you soon.